Do you ever wonder why some people seem to have boundless energy and radiant health, while others struggle to get through the day? Well, the answer may lie in their daily habits. Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we explore various topics related to health and wellness. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of healthy habits and how they can help you lead a happier, more fulfilling life. So, how do we define healthy habits? Healthy habits are the actions we take every day to support our physical and mental well-being. They include things like eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, practicing good sleep hygiene, and managing stress. But why are healthy habits so important? Well, for starters, they can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease, and even increase your lifespan. But the benefits of healthy habits go far beyond physical health. Studies have shown that practicing healthy habits can also improve your mental and emotional well-being. For example, mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing can help reduce stress and anxiety, while regular exercise has been shown to improve mood and cognitive function. Before we move on to the next benefit, do me a favor and give this video a like if you are enjoying the content so far, and also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And in case you need more inspiration and guidance on starting your health journey, click the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Another benefit of healthy habits is getting enough rest. Getting enough restful sleep is essential for maintaining both physical and mental health. When you prioritize healthy sleep habits, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. And let's not forget about the role that healthy habits can play in helping you live a more fulfilling life. When you take care of your body and mind, you're more likely to have the energy, motivation, and confidence to pursue your passions and achieve your goals. Healthy habits can provide you with a solid foundation to make the most out of your life, regardless of what you choose to do. This can involve spending quality time with family and friends, discovering new interests and hobbies, pursuing a fresh career path, and so on. So, if you want to feel your best and live your best life, start cultivating healthy habits today. It may not be easy at first, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.